This is a video that you need to watch, guys. You have to watch this video.
Why?
This is a cautionary video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Orlando, and we gotta jump right into this, guys. Look, it says right here, let's look at this. Institutional homebuyer yield tree slashes buying levels by 90% as it awaits sharper home price corrections. This is so important because if you've been watching my videos, if you've been watching all of my videos, you know I've been prepping you guys for you guys to get ready for a price correction, price crash, whatever you want to call it, but hopefully you will be able to get a home at a decreased value. But you know who also is waiting on the sidelines like you? You've got it. These big institutional buyers, BlackRock, Yield Street, Zillow, all of these guys are waiting on the sidelines, hoping,
ooh, man, we're about to get some cheap properties.
They're waiting on the sidelines too. This is the main reason, guys, why I tell you, please, please, please sit on the sidelines with a purpose. Do not sit on the sidelines, guys. Just sitting around, twiddling your fingers, hoping that a magical house will fall in your lap, that you will get an email that says, oh, wow, $100,000 price decrease.
Yeah, I know, I heard that. That's corny.
It won't happen, guys. And if it does happen, you can almost guarantee that the home will probably be scooped up already. This is the reason why I want you guys to sit on the sidelines with a purpose, because guys like these institutional home buyers, these guys are waiting on the sidelines with you, along with other people who want to buy homes too. But it also says here, the ongoing housing market downturn has seen everyone from mom and pop landlords to Blackstone-owned Home Partners of America pull back on their plans to acquire more homes. It makes sense. On the way up, the pandemic housing boom, which saw rent and home prices soar, was amazing for everyone, from Airbnb hosts to home flippers to institutional buyers on Wall Street. Now, I've done videos on all of these. So make sure you go back and you look at these videos. We know people who decided to get into Airbnb. That's another situation on another video, but they're feeling the pain right now too because their bookings are down. And then we see home flippers who are losing money hand over fist. The holding costs are killing them, guys, are killing them. And they're trying to get rid of their properties as fast as they can, unless you're a veteran. But we know a lot of people who decided to do home flipping were beginners, and they're feeling the pain right now. And then we see BlackRock and all these other guys, they've pulled back, they've lost money. Zillow, look at Opendoor, guys. Have you guys seen Opendoor stock? It is taking a beating. At one point, it was a penny stock. I mean, it's still not far from it. I think it's at 116, as you guys can see here, but still, it is taking a beating at a really high point when they were buying houses for millions and millions and millions of dollars, overpriced homes, and then trying to sell them back. Here's the thing, try to sell them back to you. So they're losing money. When they pull back and say, we're not gonna buy homes anymore, what does that mean? That means they're waiting for prices to drop so they could take advantage of the situation and then try to resell them back to you or make them rental properties.
Sensational.
From December onward, the expectation from my side is that we'll have another 10% to 15% decline in home prices nationally. Now, isn't this crazy, guys? Isn't this nuts? Now, we're at the beginning of the year and everybody is like,
Yeah, prices are going down. They will go down.
remember, 6 months ago, almost a year ago, everybody was saying,
Oh no, Orlando, prices will continue to shoot up.
I was doing videos telling you guys prices will drop, prices will come down. And now we fast forward today and everybody is on the same page. Look at that. Look at that. Let's take a look at this graph here. It shows home prices are falling for the first time since 2012. So let's take a look at this. It shows this chart and you can see right here in the red, we have 2008, the financial crisis. Now let's just fast forward here where we see 2022 and we're back in the red. Its prices are going down, guys. If you have not been getting emails, if you have not seen prices drop in your area, you have to give it patience. It's happening nationally. It's happening faster in some areas. Austin, Boise, California, those areas are getting hit really hard. I think what's going to happen is Florida. It's going to happen in Florida, but it's just going to be at the tail end.
I am convinced that people do not understand that it takes patience.
So if you take a look, like I said, look at this chart. It's showing you that we are down, down, down. Now, it says here, unless home sellers are going through major life events like divorce or job relocation, they're usually resistant to selling below previous market highs. However, it is a different story for home builders. They lose money from each additional day a completed home sits on their balance sheet. That's why markets with lots of new construction will be most prone to home price declines in 2023. Now, I did a video, guys, that I was telling you guys about the home builders, and I said, don't get tricked into these upgrades that these home builders are going to offer you. You're going to get a free upgrade here. You're going to get, gift cards to Applebee's and Texas Roadhouse. They're going to offer you everything else. But the one thing that they're not going to offer you? A price decline. They're not going to give you a price decline. They will give you a free refrigerator, some new flooring, but you will not get a price decline.
Awkward. So awkward.
They won't give you that unless they're forced to. The only way they will be forced to give you a price decrease will be time on the market, or if you are calling their bluff and saying,
Hey, look, you can give me all of this extra upgrades you want. I want a price decrease.
will that work? Hey, it never hurts to try, right? And then Yield Street says, as prices begin to bottom, Yield Street will slowly ramp home buying levels up. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I was talking about, guys, when I said, look, these guys, they're waiting till prices drop. They're doing the same thing that I'm telling you guys to do. They're waiting to gobble up all of these homes. They want to buy all of these homes at a cheaper price.
Market right here, right now.
But here's the thing that's on your side, guys. If you are in a particular market, these guys aren't going to buy in every single market. They may buy in some markets, but they're not going to buy in every market. But there will be someone who's big in your market who will be trying to buy these homes.
Take my money.
But if you keep your eye on the market, you keep your eye on the prize, the chances of you getting the home that you want are higher. In my opinion, if you've been keeping an eye on it, and if you're ready, if your credit's together, if you have your emergency savings fund, if you have your down payment ready together, if you have all of that stuff ready and you're not going to try to get ready, that is the one big thing. Try to get ready this year, right now. If you're trying to buy a home in, I don't know, let's say the third quarter of this year, and you're going to wait 1 month before the third quarter to try to get ready. That's where you mess up. You're gonna lose to other people, or you're going to lose to these institutional investor guys. This is the reason why I've been telling you guys and prepping you guys to stay on the sidelines with a purpose and get your stuff ready right now. I'm trying to get you guys in a win-win situation. So 2023 is going to be a big year, guys. Happy New Year, and thank you for supporting the channel. I really, really do appreciate it. But like I always say, you won't get all of your financial news. You won't get information on buying your first rental property or housing market update from this one video. You need to watch this video, and I promise you, you will get a lot more information. I will see you on the next one. Thanks.